In this video, I'll guide you through how to track your Citibank credit card delivery. Whether you're eagerly waiting for your new card or simply want to ensure it's on its way, tracking its delivery is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few steps. First, you'll want to start by checking your SMS or email. Once your card has been dispatched, Citibank usually sends out a notification alert to inform you of its status. This is an important step, so make sure to keep an eye on your messages. In this notification, you should find a tracking number, which is typically provided by the courier service handling your delivery. One common courier used is Air21, but this could vary based on your location. With your tracking number in hand, the next step is to head over to the courier's website. Here, you will find a tracking section where you can enter your tracking number. This will allow you to monitor the status of your delivery in real time. It's a great way to stay updated and know exactly when to expect your card so you can plan accordingly. Now, if you haven't received a tracking number, don't worry. It can happen sometimes due to various reasons. In such cases, your best course of action is to contact Citibank or Union Bank customer service. They can provide you with an update on your card delivery status. When you reach out, it's helpful to have your account information ready to expedite the process. Additionally, you can request a unique request number or URN from the customer service representative. This number can assist you in tracking the status of your card more efficiently. Having this URN can be especially useful if you encounter any issues or delays in your card's delivery. And there you have it. That's how to track your Citibank credit card delivery. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that you're always in the loop about your card's whereabouts. Remember, staying informed is just a few clicks or a phone call away, so you can have peace of mind knowing your new card is on its way. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.